A very good morning to you, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to begin our English class. As you all know, we have completed our previous chapter and today we are going to learn something new in chapter 3, An Earth Day Carol. Before I begin today's lesson, I would like to tell you once again the things you should follow to prevent yourselves from corona, and that are the use of face masks whenever you are going out, maintaining proper hand hygiene to keep your hands free from viruses and germs, and thirdly, maintaining social distancing. So I hope you are following these principles or these rules and are keeping yourselves safe. So now we come on to today's lesson. We are going to start with Lesson 3, An Earth Day Carol. This chapter is in the form of a play. So some students are staging it out. मतलब वो उस play को, उस skit को perform कर रहे हैं. And Earth Day, as you all know, when is Earth Day celebrated? Yes, obviously on the 22nd of April every year the Earth Day is celebrated. And this chapter, or rather play, is about staging a play on saving our Mother Earth. Carol is a song. So an Earth Day Carol or an Earth Day song is a play which is staged to get awareness about saving our Mother Earth. Let us start with it. So as you can read out, this play is inspired by Charles Dickens' famous book, A Christmas Carol. It reminds us that we are responsible for the damage we are causing to the environment. Hence, it is our duty to clean up the mess. So, as they are telling us the description about the chapter, that this play is being staged out to create awareness. This play tells us that we only are responsible. Earth को खराब, Earth को damage, Earth को pollute करने के लिए हम सभी responsible हैं और ये हमारी ही ड्यूटी है कि हम अपनी अर्थ का के ऊपर जो मेस है, जो पॉल्यूशन है, जो गंदगी हमने फैलाई है, उसको हम ही साफ करें. So as it is a play, there are some characters also in this play. Narrator जो play को narrate कर रहा है. Then we have Ebenezer Litterberg. It's the name of a child. Children 1 to 8 means we have 8 children in this play. Then we have Native American boy. We have Native American girl. There's a speaker. Then there is the ghost of Earth Day past, ghost of Earth Day present, and ghost of Earth Day future. So Earth is being represented as what Earth was in the past, what it is now, and what it should be in future. So let us begin with Act 1. Act 1 means the first scene of the play. Now narrator is giving description. It was the day before Earth Day, and all through the town, no litter was anywhere, not uptown or down. So narrator is saying that as it is one day before the Earth Day celebrate करने से एक दिन पहले का दिन है और पूरे टाउन में, पूरे सिटी में there is no litter. Litter मतलब गंदगी, कचरा, रबिश. पूरे टाउन में कहीं भी रबिश, कहीं भी कचरा नहीं दिख रहा. ना ही अपटाउन ना ही डाउन मीन्स नॉट इन एनी ऑफ द स्ट्रीट. किसी भी गली में, चाहे आप किसी भी स्ट्रीट में चले जाओ, वहां पे कोई भी कचरा नहीं है. नाउ इज कमिंग Ebenezer Litterberg. What is he doing? He is walking along, kicking a can. Garbage is hanging out of his pocket. Bah! Earth Day. तो ये जो बॉय है, ही इज वॉकिंग, वो चला आ रहा है. उसने एक कैन को किक किया जो उसके आगे था, प्लस गार्बेज या रबिश जो है उसके पॉकेट्स में से भी कचरा बाहर निकल रहा है. एंड ही सेइंग बा अर्थ डे, मतलब ही इज नॉट हैप्पी. उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा कि ये अर्थ डे क्यों मनाया जा रहा है. चाइल्ड 1. हे Ebenezer Litterberg, tomorrow is Earth Day. The whole town has been cleaning for weeks. Pick up your garbage. Now, Ebenezer को देखकर एक child 1 जो है वो Ebenezer से बात करता है. Says Ebenezer, tomorrow is Earth Day and everybody is busy cleaning the town. हर कोई टाउन को साफ रखने की कोशिश कर रहा है. एंड यू आर स्प्रेडिंग गार्बेज, आप गंदगी फैला रहे हो. अपना गार्बेज, अपना कचरा उठाओ. Ebenezer, mind your own beeswax. Why do we pay street cleaners for? Now Ebenezer is angry. He said, you mind your own beeswax. जैसे हम कहते हैं you mind your own business. आप अपने काम से काम रखो. We are paying to cleaners. जो sweepers हैं हम उनको पे करते हैं, उनको मनी दिया जाता है, तो उनकी ड्यूटी है स्ट्रीट्स को क्लीन करना. Why we should clean? Now comes child 2. तो एक और बच्चा Ebenezer को बोलता है, looking after the environment is everybody's business, Ebenezer. That is what Earth Day is all about. Now this child is trying to explain to Ebenezer कि environment को clean करना सभी का business है, सबका काम है. So Earth Day is all about this. Earth Day हमें यही सिखाता है कि सबको अपना environment neat and clean रखना चाहिए. Ebenezer, Earth Day, bah, Earth Day. Now Ebenezer is angry. He says, what is this foolish thing, Earth Day, I don't like. Both children throw their hands up in frustration and walk off in opposite directions. So जब दोनों बच्चे ये देखते हैं कि Ebenezer is not listening to them, they are frustrated, means they get angry, but they can't do anything about it, so they walk off in the opposite direction. वो वहां से चले जाते हैं. Now we come to Act 2 और Scene 2. तो पहला जो act था, पहला जो scene था वो एक street का था. Second जो scene है वो Ebenezer's bedroom. अब Ebenezer का bedroom है. Narrator is saying, Ebenezer Litterberg lay asleep in his bed. Sorry fellow, there was much to dread. So now Ebenezer is sleeping in his bed and he's saying something dreadful. कुछ डरावना होने वाला था, उसके लिए तैयार रहो. क्या डरावना हुआ? घोस्ट ऑफ अर्थ डे पास्ट. सो जो पास्ट अर्थ है उसका घोस्ट आता है Ebenezer के ड्रीम में. Carries a leafy tree branch to Ebenezer's bed, leans over and taps his shoulder. Rise and shine, Ebenezer baby. So वो जो past day का अर्थ था, that was very green. It was leafy. Trees and plants were growing on it. So that is why this past day earth was carrying a branch. उसके हाथ में पेड़ की एक branch थी, क्योंकि पुराने टाइम पे जो अर्थ थी वो बहुत ही हरी भरी थी. एंड नाउ दैट गोस्ट वो Ebenezer के बेड के पास जाके Ebenezer को बोलता है राइज एंड शाइन, मीन्स गेट अप. Ebenezer उठो. नाउ Ebenezer सिटिंग अप विद अ स्टार्ट, रबिंग हिज आईज. हु आर यू? तो Ebenezer जो है वो स्टार्ट मीन्स सरप्राइज होके, हैरान होके वो उठ जाता है. एंड ही स्टार्ट्स आस्किंग हु आर यू, कौन हो तुम? घोस्ट ऑफ अर्थ डे पास्ट. I am the ghost of Earth Day past. You are making a mess of the earth. You need a lesson. Come. So now that earth is saying कि मैं past Earth Day का ghost हूँ and I have come to teach you a lesson. मैं तुम्हें एक सबक सिखाने आया हूँ, क्योंकि तुम mess कर रहे हो, तुम कचरा फैला रहे हो, तुम अर्थ को गंदा कर रहे हो. You come with me and I will tell you what you should do. Ebenezer gets out of the bed and follows the ghost to a woodland area. So Ebenezer अपने बेड से उठता है और वो जो घोस्ट है वो उसको woodland means forest area, open area में ले जाता है. Ebenezer से where are we? This is awesome, clean and green. Now woodland area, forest area, past में, if you have heard, earth looked beautiful. There were many trees all around. बहुत ही सुंदर थी हमारी earth. तो एबेंजर भी उस अर्थ को देख के सरप्राइज हो जाता है एंड ही आस्क्स दैट घोस्ट कि कहाँ पर है. दिस इज रियली नीट एंड क्लीन प्लेस. पूरी ग्रीनरी है चारों तरफ, तो हम कहाँ पर हैं. घोस्ट ऑफ अर्थ डे पास्ट. वी आर इन अमेरिका इन 1492. नाउ इट इज एक्सप्लेनिंग कि हम 1492 ईयर में हैं एंड वी आर इन अमेरिका. दिस इज हाउ अ कंट्री लुक्ड before wasting and polluting became the ways of the land. So tell कि ये अर्थ देखा आपने, it is looking beautiful. तो पहले जो हमारी अर्थ थी 1492 में, हमारी अर्थ इतनी ही सुंदर थी, but you all have wasted it, you all have polluted it. तो तब से अर्थ जो है वो गंदी होनी शुरू हो गई. Native American boy and girl walk past and stop. So now there's the entry of a Native American boy and girl. Native American boy says, Father says we must respect the earth. So वो boy और girl जो हैं, they are talking among themselves. Boy is saying कि father ने उनको क्या समझाया है, we should respect earth. हमें earth की care करनी चाहिए. And Native American girl says, if we treat her well, she will reward us with food and all that is गुड. सो गर्ल इज ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेनिंग कि अगर हम अर्थ को संभालते हैं, अर्थ की केयर करते हैं, तो अर्थ हमें अच्छा सा फूड देगी, प्लस और भी बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें देगी. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्रीट अर्थ इन अ वेरी नाइस वे. नाउ द बॉय एंड द गर्ल दे एग्जिट, दे गो आउट. नाउ घोस्ट ऑफ द अर्थ डे पास. नाउ this ghost again, he starts talking to Ebenezer. All things here were pure and clean because the people took care of the earth. We must leave now. So the ghost of Earth Day Past tries to explain Ebenezer that in the past when people took care of the earth, जब लोग अर्थ का ध्यान रखते थे, अर्थ की केयर करते थे, तो सब कुछ नीट एंड क्लीन था, हमें साफ सुथरा एनवायरमेंट मिलता था, वी हैड इनफ फूड टू ईट. एंड देन दिस घोस्ट टेल्स एबेंजर दैट वी मस्ट लीव नाउ. अब हमें यहां से जाना चाहिए. घोस्ट लीड्स एबेंजर बैक टू हिज बेडरूम. सो घोस्ट एंड एबेंजर दोनों ही अब एबेंजर के बेडरूम में वापस आ जाते हैं. Now ghost of Earth Day Pass again tells Ebenezer, wait for the next ghost. See you around, Ebenezer buddy. So वो उसको warn करके जाता है that I am going. अब आपके पास next ghost आएगा. तो अब देखो next ghost आपको क्या समझाता है, क्या बता के जाता है. You wait for it. Now Ebenezer waves. Ebenezer उसको bye wave करता है and says bye also. Now Ebenezer lays down and the ghost exits. So Ebenezer वापस से अपने बेड में लेटकर सोने चले जाता है and the ghost leaves. He exits means he leaves. So for today I am going to explain you only this much. And what you have to do, you have to read this what I have taught at least 2-3 times so that you are clear. And if you have any doubts, we can take up in the online class. So children, read it thoroughly and do your work daily so that you don't miss your work. Till then, have a nice day.